In this video, I will show you how to adjust page size for accurate printing in MS Paint. So open Paint, insert the image, click on File, Import to Canvas from a file. Now select your picture. Now click on File, Print, then click on Page Setup. Here you can select the size, like you want to print in A4. So we need to find out A4, this one. So select any size which you need. Here you can select orientation, portrait or landscape. Here you can select and you can change the margins. Centering you can select horizontal or vertical or both. And scaling you can adjust to 100%, normal size or fit to from page 1 by 1. Then click on OK. Now file and print, click on print preview. So this is the preview. And just click on print. If you are okay with this size, if you see some changes, so again in page setup, then click on OK. Select your printer and print. So this is the way guys you can print accurate size in Microsoft Paint. Thanks for watching.